Happy holidays to everyone. I am making Chilean sea bass. Blessing all my Eat Good TV family. It's great to be alive and above ground. Today I have a very special recipe for you. I'm not home, I'm visiting friends, so I'm going to use a different type of season. And most of these seasons is Italian season, and it's very, very delicious. These are all the ingredients we need. Adobo spice blend. Adobo spice blend have all your garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and everything like that. It's a delicious all natural spice blend. And here we have chili lime spice blend, roasted garlic, rosemary, sea salt, and that's a blend too. Cayenne pepper, and I use cayenne pepper in my daily food. It's very good for you. It makes the blood flow, gives circulation, and it's good for high cholesterol too. You know, it's very good for the body. Olive oil, which olive oil have a lot of health benefit. Oh yes, olive oil is good with a lot of health benefit. Here we have garlic bread spice blend. But with the garlic bread spice blend, I'm gonna put it when the fish is almost done. I want a nice little crust on it. Himalayan salt, paprika, thyme, Italian rub. I'm just adding some olive oil to the pan. And just add some olive oil. Like about a tablespoon of olive oil is good. Just add it to the pan. And this is how it looks. This is the skin part. Chilean sea bass, and this is the front of it. So I'm gonna put skin down, and then I'm gonna season it. So this is one piece. So it's two pieces, and this is the next piece. Okay. Let me smell it. This one smells better. Yeah, smells better than the first piece I had to just throw it out. And they're very pricey, but I still have to throw it out. I don't want to get sick from fish. My favorite fish is sinapa. I just love that fish. Leave your favorite fish in the comment. I just add a little bit more oil on the top. So say 2 tablespoons of oil. One in the pan, one on the top. And I'm going to use all these seasoning. But I'll bring them a little closer. I go to a light and I bring them a little closer, you know. So we just use the olive oil and all these seasoning. And I bring it closer so you can see all the bottles of the seasoning. So I'm just going to go ahead and season it. So first I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. Let me open all the bottles so it make it easier. So now that I have it seasoned nicely, look at it, seasoned very good, I'm going to place it in the oven to cook. Cover and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees and place the fish in the oven. The fish is all cooked and smelling up the place. It looks so delicious in the pan. Wow. Let me have a taste of it. Yeah, it smells all delicious. Let me taste it. Oh, yes. I have regular sea bass, but this is the first time I'm having this Sicilian sea bass. Okay. Oh wow, it just melts in your mouth. Wow, so good. Wow. If you have another piece. Oh, 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 oh. Let me wash my fork. This is so good. Oh, 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 oh. Like Santa Claus. Oh, 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 oh. This is so good. Wow, I have to take another piece. It just melts in your mouth. Wow. Family, I can't take one piece. I have to take more than one. Oh my God. Mm. Mm. And very tasty with all those Italian seasonings. It's just different. From my regular Jamaican season. This is, oh my God. All natural herbs. It's so delicious. I like a different flavor. Really nice. Wow, and it's smelling up the place. Wow. I'm gonna serve you a plate, and I'm gonna serve it with some vegetable. So good. You have to use this more often. I could take some of these good seasoning from Whole Food. My friend said she buy it all at Whole Food. So I'm gonna take some of these good delicious season and use it. And oh, my next video I'm gonna make some chicken. I just add a little bit of jerk sauce to it, you know. We just have to put a little bit jerk in it, you know, something Jamaican in it. But I'm gonna use the same blend but with some jerk season. Should be delicious. And over here, right over here, okay, let me bring it over this side. Over here the water is boiling, so I am gonna place the vegetable. And if you don't have a steamer, no worries, and you have might be a what you call it now, a strainer, but you have the metal one, you can just use it as your basket to put your vegetable and just cover it. But I have one here, so I'm just gonna place the pot on here. Water is boiling. Place the pot and cover the pot and let your veggies steam for this delicious meal. And I'm gonna serve you up a plate. Just cover and let steam. Just place the cover and let it steam. Then I'll be serving you your plate. There you have it, family, your delicious Chilean sea bass. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.